Hello fellow traders, my name is Zen from Zen Pro FX, and I'm here to tell you my weekly setup, my setup for the week. I am a trader with 3 years experience. I'm a technical analysis trader. I trade strictly no news. So today we're going to see the trade of this week. So first off, we're going to start with EURCAD. As you can see on the daily time frame, I only trade one time frame. As you know, I only trade the daily because it has less noise. So on the daily time frame, you can see from this period from this period right here, you can see that the price formed an uptrend. It was first of all in the other period separator that it was in a downtrend, but now it's in an uptrend, forming higher highs, higher lows, low, high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then you can see that the price is consolidating within this zone and this zone here. And so the price has gotten a higher high and then it trips down. It is below this zone. So for me, I am saying this is an EMU structure. This is the first leg has been formed right here. You can see the top and then the bottom. So the first leg has been formed. So I'm expecting the price to form the second leg. See, you can see on the line chart that the first leg has been formed. So I'm expecting price to form the second leg on Monday to trade a W, that's a double top to the downside. So my bias in this market is a sell. It's a huge sell, though the market right now is slow because of the holidays that's coming and some other things, as I use the daily time frame. So as you can see, EURCAD daily time frame, my bias right here is sell. You can see the uptrend, the price is an uptrend, and uptrend is going, it's exhausting right here. You can see that there's no more push. So my bias for the market is sell. I expect markets to form the second leg and then rally down. You can see I've set my TP1, TP2, 3, and so on and so forth. I expect the market to push down, trigger a buy, forming a double top pattern for me to trade buy, or it will make a push to the upside, breaking this previous resistance zone here, and then I'll be aiming for it to retest this resistance zone as a support. Then I'll take a buy here to continue the trend to continue the trend up. So those are my two buyers. Is that the price goes up, break this previous resistance zone to the upside, or it makes a second leg here and then goes to the down floor. So we'll know by Monday. Those are my two buyers of the market. Let's go to the second one. We have EURCHF. EURCHF, you can see price in the previous period separator, price was in a downtrend, and then it formed a little head and shoulder pattern. You can see the first leg, the head and the shoulder, and then rallied up to the upside, forming a high, low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, and now it's consolidating these two areas here. So I'm expecting price, you can see on the line chart, you can see that price is form one leg. I'm expecting to form a second leg, then take it made down. You see my buy, I have placed so many TPs, TP1, TP2, 3, 4. That's my bias to the market for price to form a double bottom to the downside. Then my second bias for this market is price can either form the sell part, forming a double top as I've said, or it breaks through this point, break through this previous resistance zone, comes back to retest as test this previous resistance zone as support, thereby giving me a chance for a sell continuing to the uptrend. We'll know when the market opens. So I'm expecting to form second leg, this point here. So for me, strictly, I will tell you I am on a sell for this market. For EURCHF and EURCAD, my bias for this market is sell because it has made the second leg. So the top that has made a first leg, sorry, has made a first leg. So for me, I'm taking a sell limit. My sell limit is going to be here for price to retest this particular point again. I want to price to test this point to trigger my sell limit that I'll place right here, and my TP will be here, TP1, TP2, TP3, depending on positions that I'm going to open. So that's where you can open 3, 4, 5, 6 positions, as many as you can, but it depends on your risk management, your money management, and your money management, your risk management. Can your account handle 3, 4, 5, 6 positions? If your account cannot handle it, just stick to one position and you'll be good. So on the next one I have is the New Zealand dollar JPY. In New Zealand dollar JPY, you can see that on the previous time frame it rallied down. Previous period separator, you could see that price is on a downtrend, and then it formed a W, and now it's on a uptrend. Now it's consolidating here. It has retested this previously formed zone, came down. Now retesting it. So I'm expecting price to come to this point again for a second retest. You can see I'm expecting price to come. That's made the first leg, so I'm expecting price to make the second leg here. My buy, I've set a sell limit right here. I expect price to push to this point. My take profit will be 1, 2, 3, as the market is going to push. But monthly, my take profit, I'm sure of take profit 1 and maximum 2. Take profit 3 is like a risk that is high, but it's all based on the movement of the market. So as you can see, I'm waiting for the second leg. My bias in this market is sell, but we don't know what the market is going to do. So just two bias, sell as my main one. You can push and break and then retest. You can break this zone or make the second leg and then go up. Either way, my sell limit is here because I strictly am someone who likes trading double top and double bottoms, because I'm that kind of trader. So I'm going to put, you see on the previous zone, on the previous daily zone, found that price was in this zone before. Price came to this point before and then rallied down, and then price came to this point before. We tested this previous resistance zone, broke out, we tested and broke back in the zone. Respected the zone, but it made a fake out. This 3 was a fake out that most traders would think that the price was going to the upside, whereas there was a change in direction, and then it rallied down. It knocked everybody out, made them think that it was going up that they should keep on buying, but instead this 1 week shuts them all down, hits all of their stop loss, and then rallied down, then made the double bottom, and then rally back up, and now it's at this zone again. So for the third time it's retesting 1, 2. The second time is retesting the zone again. So I'm expecting price to respect this zone, this area here, and hopefully respect it and then rally down, giving me take profits 1, take profit 2, rally down and give me some profit, or it breaks through and retests this previous resistance zone as support. So well, fellow traders, that is my analysis, my technical analysis. That's my technical analysis for this week. I don't have any trade apart from this 4 trade that I'm taking this week strictly. I don't have any other trade in mind at all. So I hope that I wish you all a good trading week. Remember, trade safe, trade well. Always remember that money management is key, risk management is key. Do not over leverage just because you see all the social media traders over leveraging their accounts, because they have more money to replace that one. If you're someone who cannot afford to take that risk, just don't. Do not fall in those scams. Just use your money wisely. Take calculated risk. Do not take a risky risk just when you think that, oh, maybe this trade is going to be the winning trade, or maybe this trade is going to be winning trade. Nobody knows. We're just using the analysis that they have, our strategies to navigate it and pinpoint it to and reduce the probability to a certain percentage, whereby we can say, okay, the percentage of sell is high, like this. New Zealand dollar JPY, the percentage of sell to me is high. I expect it has retest the zone once, 2 times. This is the second time it's coming here, so I expect as it retests a particular zone, the zone gets weak all the time. So in this first zone, you could see that there's a huge, in the previous zone, that first time that you retested it, which is here, it made a huge push, which means that it newly entered it, so it had more sell pressure. So this one I'm expecting to have a second pressure, but if it were retested like 3 times, that's when I won't take it, because when a zone is being retested continuously, let's say 2-3 times, the zone intends to get weak, and then it's not really fun to trade, because then it's likely you would fall in a ditch and to walk. So that's why. So my fellow traders, I wish you all a nice and a good trading week. So these are my pairs that I'm going to be focusing on this week: EURCHF, EURCAD, and New Zealand dollar JPY. That's the 3 pair I'm going to be focusing on for this week. So I wish you all a good trading week. Trade well, trade safe, and always be safe. Risk things you can afford to lose, and always do not over leverage your account so that you can be able to trade another day in case if the trade goes against you. My name still remains Zen Pro FX. My name is Vanessa. I am the founder of Zen Pro FX. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day, and God bless. Happy Sunday in advance. That's a wrap. Thank you, and God bless.